So these are the gardening gloves from DLY. They sent these to us so we could show them to you. And they're really, really cool because they have a nice leather hand on it. And, of course, a beautiful, gorgeous design on the fabric on the upper arm here where you've got the butterflies and the flowers and the blue background. Really, really pretty. It has this leather strap here that tightens it around your upper arm there and stuff. But actually, they really, really well. I'll show you.
They do. They fit like super well.
Really nice.
Medium.
Yeah, these are.
And we don't have a super big
I
hand.
have a smallish hand, yes. And you got this little strap up here that you can strap it down.
I just can't get over how nice these are.
They're really nice, good quality there.
Good quality. My sister, her birthday is coming up. She's going to love these. She's quite the gardener.
Yeah, these are really nice.
Yeah.
I really, really love this fabric pattern with the blue and the yellow. It just looks gorgeous. And, of course, the nice, super duper nice leather hand of the gloves and stuff. So, yeah, it's really, really good. Nice stuff.
It feels good. I might take up gardening.
Well, you definitely could. Well, I mean, we do stuff outdoors that we could use them with.
I could just see, picking up plants and digging in the dirt with these, and just so comfortable. And I'm not worried about it getting the down, it has a nice high sleeve on it. I really like that.
Cool. We like that. Good stuff.